Forgive him, Matthew.
Skimyah, you know what it's up for you? He said we were the Sagaran, so what he make me the Sagaran? He go the took for a quicker. He got the open my breast. Now what he make him? Made the house for happy. He waited they tell her the fake life where they say they can't follow them live. Go now, no say with the dope people right from the origin. I'm here with no we all of us know say I'm here with no we even now who say we're going. It can never be possible. But when I come make us know say I'm here with no we. Instead that I will not be here, neither the laugh of his house. So now so I do this one, now so I do this one, now so I do this one, 2019. Esther, now they talk the one way you do for a WhatsApp group. Oh. Now a WhatsApp group now we first see. Before I was not bring you home, I was don't I call out pass, it part they come for inside. They can't forget Esther home because money they now only what where money not they try to drive for inside the house. I just say Skimyah, they do video say now social media people now they talk to. I know say the people were supposed to come talk because of bribe. They don't fit talk. Now I say I can't tell you, no make sure that can work for your platform again. Now I say I can't play this video for you again. He said we were the people where they saga and so. He said they go pity for them. If he say me talk with the apple for inside the house. Why you call the pull life for our head now? And when they talk that lie, your responsible wife sit down with you, they look you like this. If they look you like this. If they look you like this. Mo go, listen you, therefore you may listen you. I'm not going to insult you. But your audios, where you take talking, look and hear. You see, at the time when I do your for yesterday, I do your video and I be this. The one when I cut come out and I be this. When I might go to school, but the wisdom of God, where God they bless me, is quite different for you people. It's very far from you people. Oh, now what say go school so where they hear their word. Now they want to communicate with. And they like to communicate with you now. They come see and say the school won't go. If na your school na go for where I did. So I don't want to play your audio now. I want you to play a word for you. Because inside that video now, your best friend, you say you not see the conversation when you go to for fake account, you not see wife phone. You not do that. There I know say you know the third truth. But I don't want to give you blame. Maybe you never feel see. Maybe you not true see. I don't give you blame for that one. Maybe you not true see. But the lie when you come put for social media, hey people. Now me can't debunk. I can't debunk for the Odanyo, Olalue, all of the way they are. I can't debunk for them. Because you say social media people, now they worry the marriage. You pull life for their heads. Now become the bunker for the responsible ones when it day. I can't debunk for them. So if you not go school, if you not they talk, one of the compose una sentence, one are not going to make mistake. When person come they talk to una. One of the compose una sentence. Am I right? As I they talk here, say people sit down that they watch all with they talk. Is being computerized. Is being computerized. Is the sentence are being computerized and measure together and measure to straight way. Come now, let us go.
But I'm not a social media person. Let me leave that one aside. The matter not Irina. You need to tell me now. Ogai me ne fi no bi aburi me. No ye what you want to ti matter na. Ogai mo kio be na kio ko. Ina kio man we alatia with fake accounts. Do I gbene mi gbene nu gbene na do I send again no he send again. Do I want na me?
But you don't hear that just now say When I reply for you again, make you hear and well. Many people don't they call you since yesterday Atiti bring your name come out, I don't want to come and insult you. The lie we put for social media people head. Now I can't debunk. I hate life for my life. You don't see the time when we talk about the quarter because I can't talk what I see. They catch me thief, say I thief goats. I debunk and under 3 days I see the person come out. They say my children when me born, when me give passports. They say Frank Igbinado don't change their name to him. The thing can't bother me for minds. I go take for Apple, pikin when he get passport, they'll change their name. Pikin when get passport, they'll change their name. Till last year, when my second born come. As he want go, now I follow and reach airport. I know say nobody complete 18 years. Me wey get sense, pikin wey get sense. 3 months to now he go complete 18 years. I know say they no go gree me comot. The motor where they want carry door full. He full. Now I drive follow them for back. I know say if I not go, you go miss that ticket. They'll buy another ticket. They reach airport, they see me for airport. Daddy, you see corner, I say yes. We be still saying, you not worry, just now. I say, more than not worry. They be still say, they come tell me say, Daddy, the senior one come tell me say, we say, you not come, just tell me you stay for us. Why you see come, you still burn your money for fuel. Now I say, more than not worry. As they want check in, he don't check in. They come tell us say, nobody complete 18 years finish. Where is your father? They come bring paper come and say, may your papa feel and me not go school. Now they go feel am. Now I look the resident at Atiti day, first 60 day for inside. Where Jebo come see this like where they talk for outside? I can't surprise. You might be the talk like this. Wait till no say no happen. Now go they talk am. Not beside the insult and but you know the time we talk say they don't change my pikin name. Now they clarify now. Tomorrow now, they come down. The children they come tomorrow now. They want to do holiday for this side. I don't go up at your tomato now. You know say that rest the canal, the takata when it day, that one don't pass. It don't kaduka. Since almost 7 years. The passport still they exist. I know say they'll come now. I want to renew the taketa for them. There are 2 people and I be this one looking when I go carry so. Now my name I go take filan. But if wait till they take this what they talk. One and not they talk life for people head. And Skimyah can't put life for our head so. And Skimyah can't put life for our head so. At the 8 line. One of they talk as it be. One of they talk something as it be. Skimyah want to say, you know, see for inside the video where what do, saying that social media people they talk to. Where what they tell us, say, if you say me tell us what they happen for inside the house, we go sorry for them. Now you they change you they manipulate I fear you, Skimyah. I fear you. Listen again.
I want any man on whom if I do is there who is talking. Please hold on 1 minute.
You not going to?
I'm gonna let you wait.
One, you know. Is that about a drop here?
Sorry.
If I
no one, not two.
You not going to wait for the reply. If you can't reply me, I'll come to swear everything to wait.
Anything where I can't find for this word, me I not see. If I say man, if I say woman. Say, come out, come begin the type. Come out, come begin use fake accounts. Come out, come begin do this one, send message to so person with the same message to. If I know one, not two for this matter, wait, Jay. Almighty God, wait, create heaven and earth. Make I not pass this year. But if I don't know one, not two for this matter, I not say man, I not say woman, somebody just come out from nowhere. Say what can spoil my name, you want to damage my name, anywhere where that person day, who they support her, who be way they this matter. Oh, no, you don't have no, we're going to see no money, we're going to say no money. Oh, but no, you're tapping the stroke in way. If we not die, if we not join, not destroy your home. Never minute, come to destroy your home. Can we cannot go out and again me or make the best not see mothers and sisters, and Nini die here and eat it way. Oh, yeah, oh, no, you don't tell me, nah. No one yet got any way say want to make us spoil my name. Make us drag me come out. Or go make a cook here.
If Destiny not go reply that fake account, Esther not go reply that fake account, the Pikin not go reply that fake account, Mama with the Pikin, they drag a carrier. Mama with the Pikin. Where their mama go marry, they follow their mother, they drag a care for the house now. See, they want to pursue the first woman come out. You know, see us like this life no balance. If they say they're not going to reply that a fake account, well, wait till Destiny talk for that. Wait, they finish this woman where they talk so. Oh, wait till they finish this woman where they talk so. This woman for not first come out to call the lake also. If you not come and call the lake also, this woman fed the six saga when he passed this one. He not come out one day. Now wait till your husband right for there. Destiny Bagua. Now wait till his second wife right for there. Now make this woman first come out to call the lake also. Skimyah. Okay, listen now. Listen, you see on social media people. Listen carefully from here. Listen.
The only thing I know my paper, my business. I'm not a social media person. I don't do social media. The only thing I do, I come out in live video. I do my business. Even now, we care. Even it's a joke. Since 2019, they have been dragging me. Me, when you make a saga, every year, no, it's no die. Many another way 2019. When I say some certain things, in a Guanlatian, every year they have anyone now, they will come out and say I should forgive them because he can't. Every year in saga.
Skimyah, you hear that? You saw the old people when they saga and so they go come out. If you say me open mouth, you know when you work, me like wait almost to die. Me like it, I wait almost to die. Wait don't matter, it's all about me trust me like it. Me like you wait to do what the most of the terminals in war one. Wait don't matter, it's all about oh you're like, oh guys, me like you guys, oh well, all I say take away me, also take away me, all I all the period. Who was a take with me like it with all my time is all but oh what am I to terminus in one? Hello. Mami tell them, we are telling them. Oh, Maria, it's really careful. Emi la ki kiye de dene agiri oni yo kiye de dene uwe nik mine eni me eme moto ni yan to ta da moto ni ana pe osanera ye agume da ki da ke de waya to e swe yo me o awo mi la ki wa la da moto we na wa no keji yen ki yan
with Jesus. Forgive him, Matthew.
Oh, I'm not Tanya. Oh, my way social media people. Oh, women on social media. I say people waiting for social media. We will call tell and say sorry. We don't know. For waiting in the park or inside the house. You get a Skimyah. You get her. I not call insult you now. I want to correct your impression. if you are talking, you don't, they not the only one person they pull life for head. You also social media people they pull life for their head. You say you not see anywhere where this woman talk that word. Where you can't say the people where they spoil the name for social media, they'll come back and tell and say sorry. You can't they change the matter Skimyah. I know some of the central people lie full on a mouth. One I tell you central when I have anywhere. If we are being for I know central boys. But not be that one come for now go.
I'm not a social media person.
Excuse me, sir.
Let me put that one aside.
Please, if ma is madam, what is sir? Saddam. Oh.
Do I send again? Send again? Do I want to know? Men, if you are bullying me, nigga, you pona. Nigga, you pona. Nigga, me go. But hell, in my fa. Oh, when I would have told you one now. No, like that with fake accounts. No, they may do me here. I don't even have it in my phone. I don't even know my. No, they may do me here now. Yeah, we might tell you. I'm seeing nothing. It is me and not there. Now we men, if you know we are bullying me, I talk again.
It is here. No, I forgot the points. As I cut your own Skimyah, I forgot your own points. I not know exactly the place. Now move the plan they go, but I don't need to play all the whole video before. Now the points now I want to correct your impression. I don't give you 1 point now. You don't see an Skimyah. You know say that with social media, I say if you say me can't tell the social medias. Waiting the apple for inside the house. He said we will feel sorry for him. Waiting in the face for inside the house. More go to the next step now wait for talk and say if we are more go there. More go to that place now and then one place go there. One can't take correct if they pull life for social media people head. If you they talk, more they control na words of na mouth, more they compose na sentence. Because any trait, therefore that way go call reply now. If the rest people they don't give the 2 million, they don't give them 1 million. Me not the chop right. Era megi ragman mama wa ademila munime ni. Aije megi ragman mama wa ademila munime. Iyakiawe marriage. Ima me no demila mume. Oto ogan gbebege na na me woto no. Ime wi guadolo. Ime be iriri. Ime be yo. Igi fi yon pa wan ba tu ri mu kiyen ya demila ya we marriage me. But a matter already time why correct you are. I'm not going to insult you now. More go to the next step.
I'm not even aware of all this thing. Sorry that I'm speaking Benin, I'm speaking this. Please understand with me. Because enough is enough. I'm not a social media person. Omaga bowa wa Omaga fear of face. You have met the way to the web here. We have met the level to drag you away. You drag anything with anybody. I mind my business. I'm a very nice and play person. I open my heart to everybody.
You the hear Skimyah. See, he open a heart to everybody. He be not agree your husband marry your own manager. Because he know as a manager, he know a star. Say your husband a manager. Who do ready? Now your husband come tell us say you want marry manager. He be not agree. He be not agree me marry what apprentice how they call him manager. He be not agree. Before then, Esther don dey jealousy this woman for Esther audio for their group WhatsApp. When he leak, the one wey dey with that word for us, he come send that to Monica. But they know they talk about that Esther wey leak that time wey take destroy this woman but they talk of this woman wey do na thing, I say you do this one, I say you do this one because person wey not get money. Like me now, as I dey talk so, na only the good ones now I go say wetin this one dey talk. He go grab am. You understand me? Because everyone not get money as a musician get money now. Now the one where everyone do, now that they remember, they not they remember the one where musician do. Agbona ma balance. So me go. You just ask me, I say, Uga Bogwa. Now me they talk to. Me my agbo. Me ya. Me they tell her what say me get ass. No. He say, you know, they go their house, go stay. Now me come do video that they say, hey, what? You beat us when it pass their home. Hey, what? The prayer, they pray for your picking head. Anything where destiny get today is your picking. They are among of the people when you get time. Even though you get, you not get. But right, woman when he marry, the husband property now be property because of this civilized world where shall we come be as full everywhere today. Where shall we come be as full everywhere today? Because I shall we not do, you know if you control I shall we now. One not to go that side, one you come for what you come for. If I have your money, and no buamu bokuta or wifa, is that get before I can. No go.
I joke with everybody, I play with everybody. Ogai mene free no be apuri me. No ye what you want to take matana. Ogai mogio I don't even know my no de me do ami ya na. Ya we ma there I miss here na it is emi ya no sleep. There ya we no there. Now we me na free no be apuri me ato yo ni ma imagine I'm not even aware of all this thing. Sorry that I'm speaking Benin and speak.
You not quarrel with your destiny now. You not quarrel with her. You want to quarrel with people waiting for social media saying that they disturb the house. I will tell you disturb the house. Now that they live fake life for us. Now destiny with your wife, they live fake life for us. Say I'm your we know VJ. Wait there for Benin parable or return to the where I'm your we know VJ. Destiny want make us know fake life. Now say I'm your we know VJ. Now we cover the looker. Man have your back man. We not say no as where they not the quarrel. But I'm your way, no VJ. If you hear to yak mitan, if you don't have a butaway or what don't have a bow zona. But if you don't have a tagway, I'm your way, no VJ. To manage the circumstances, they manage the pretending. It tend to the fois. Don't come out try to change.
Excuse me, sir.
For us.
Please, if ma is madam, what is sir?
You can only fake life for a while.
Saddam.
Disgrace. Oh. You are making life inside. You are putting your wife inside. You dey laugh your wife say no be house, you no buy motor. Skimyah say quarter no dey for the house. Before this woman voice this art, before this was voice all those things art. Do not there for inside the house, Skimyah. It be like at the time where me with woman were born for me day. Some of my friends were there for the village where they will say this woman nice, oh, this woman nice, oh, this woman nice. I go out and say, now your woman. Because if they put knee for ground, they greet you, Lamugo brother, Lamugo brother. Now you say this woman nice. You follow her there for a search. Let me wait follow her there for a search. I go tell you as it be. Not be you wait there for outside. All your video where you do, I put them where you say it's nice to the family. Now the carbon paper where you see that for outside, that be that. As you talk, as Skimyah say it's nice for the family. If it's nice to the family, Skimyah, this woman not come voice say Uga Bogwa, Owo Uga Timoto, Owo there. Say waiting in the face for his house. He didn't say me come talk and come out since 2019. We go feel sorry for her. Now the picture they see, you not go inside. The day when I call people, say me they come for my house, say me they come follow me, ask woman babe come for me question. For the village where I passed, I ilelo, why they were the go no gunata. Ime luro, a village maka, I have anyone or run away, why they were the go nota. As I pass on, the domo the pastor na so the old man the toss okuna man why you put back gunwa mo le lero wa awo okuna man no doubt that if you go to at over there agbe you want to tell me the woman that I married. If you with destiny they communicate for phone you don't follow the day for yourself. Don't come and be talking nonsense. I called all the world we talk trash. I call them trash. No, listen.
This, please understand with me, because enough is enough. I'm not a social media person. Omaga bo wa bo. Omaga fear. You have met the way to the web here. We have met the level to drag you away. You drag anything with anybody.
You just say drag anything with Esther or Destiny. If they're rich now, they are richness. You say they don't get quarter for his house. Now wait till they think they laugh and be that. And he talk and say, if you go to the house, go sleep. Now everyone fully set for them. Because everyone got forgiving hearts. You don't say Destiny. Now person will not get forgiving hearts. Esther, now person will not get forgiving hearts. But India they do you as a mother, as a nice person. Everyone they do you as a nice person. Say what it don't pass. Let's not live a free life. They don't know saying a bad life. Now Destiny the follower they live. Now central man I Destiny be. Woman will get money. All those central people will do central for Europe. Now woman will get money. Now they go to pack meat for house. The one will not get they don't live am. I be una wait for Europe and no experience Now the kind of life they do so. Destiny they say this year Destiny was me this woman. O my dear care fin. Boy you win on me go no raw. He go out for the one but the one will get money. Now that's how they come. Now they go now. Not be that one I want to talk. So my people, my brothers and my sister, it's a short video for the Skimyah. It's a short video for you. Not the pull out for social media people head. You hear now. I don't want to plan finish. If I plan finish, another 2 points there for front. Now 2 points I can't give you now. Another 2 points there for front. It be like the video where you do yesterday. Now 4 points I collect. Look on. I say if I can't drop this one, you can't reply me. I'll come meet you for inside. This one is the video where I post for her. No. You see, I see there for top. The video where you do, I can't take and cut the 4 points. You see her now. So I never no leave her like that. Hola. Get her. Yeah. No leave this video like that. If we can't reply, say waiting with the talk not complete. Now that time we'll come tell you say now we be in it treat we not go school, but God bless us with wisdom. For the one when I just drop for you now, if you look and where you look what I talk for us, you know say the pikin not go school, but they try. So I don't want you if you compose your sentence. And when you talk this in your wife, your own now that you know say woman when it gets sense, they know for afar. Woman when it gets sense, they look at for afar, they see her from afar. That woman when they sit down with you is more educated for brain. If they educated for food. If you they talk some kind of word, they look the eye way till they look you. Because you are the man of the house, it always give you chance to talk to speak verbally. Because you are the man of the house, he don't want to disgrace you, don't want to fool you. He only give you time to talk verbally as you like to talk. When I hold the matter like this, make them not go say Atiti bye bye.